appreciate it to you for watching this video. So yeah, today is the last time for the barbecue braai area. I'm gonna actually work on this whole area here. This is just it's not like a slash puppy type of juice holder thing. This I'm just gonna put it here for support for the top level that must come on this here, and I'm gonna put some fairy lights inside just to make it nice here, and I'm gonna make it so you can take it out like now because it's my way. So yes, like I said, I'm gonna work on this whole area here. Okay, so like I said, I'm not going to worry about stairs for now anyway. I like this picnic table thing that's going on here, so I'm going to keep that there, and I'm just going to put maybe some wall art against the wall, or maybe a dartboard. I'm still deciding on which one of the two. I wanted to put some real wood on top of here, but it actually has a nice and if you can see, nice grain. So I'm going to try and use like say black craft paint, and try just to bring that out maybe a bit, see if that's going to work. Otherwise I'm going to leave it just like this. I'm just going to paint the legs. I'm going to paint black, and then here by the braai area, this I already had. This is all picnics. All of this together is a picnic set of when my daughter was still small and she played with Barbies. So it's very old, but it's still in good condition, and I still got all the stuff. So I actually got this with that. So I wanted to build my own braai, but I'm not going to do it anymore. I'm going to use this for the braai area here. The only problem I've got is a bit too low for that, for Kevin to fit here. As you can see, the scale is not it's big enough, but it's just too low. So I'm just going to put some cardboard. I'm going to paste that on top of each other, and then I'm going to cover it with this peel and stick, and with this brick around so it can fit in by the brick here in the corner. So and then I'm just going to like build a little platform for this to fit on top of here. So then it will be okay. This one is a bit broken, so I'm just going to have to fix that. But if I just put a table on top of here, just don't fall down that, then you can see it's the right size for that. So this is in the better height for that here. So I'm going to just make this little platform here to put the stuff on there, and I'm going to make this dry also with the craft paint. Also got grooves in there. So, and I'm going to make the legs black, and I want to put a little shelf in here as well. I'm going to still decide if I want to use cardboard, or I'm going to see if I've got wood to put it in there. So yeah, that is then what I'm going to do for now for the braai kuier area. So in that case, let's get started. Okay, so everything is now finished, so I can put it in. I just want to sweep the floor here a bit. Okay, then I just need to cut off this leaves that's coming through here because it's in my way. So yeah, there you are. My braai area is finished now. It's just some accessories I've made, like charcoal and stuff like that. I've got actually already stuff that came with the set originally. This is like a thong for the meat, so I'm gonna put it here, and a little fork, and there, and then a lot of meat. So there is already meat on the braai. This is all the stuff that came with this picnic set all those years ago, and just bread for there, some buns, and yes, even some plates. I've got, I'm gonna put it here, and then there's a dish for the when the meat is finished with the braai. So yeah, and it is high enough for that. I'm quite happy with that. So yeah, everything is fine now. So like I said, it's still a bit of accessories, like I want to put something here against the wall here. I'm still deciding on the dartboard or maybe just wall art. I'm not sure about that, but all in all, I'm quite happy. So this area, the whole harpa, is almost finished. When I'm finished with the accessories here, I just have to make the ceiling then and put lighting on the ceiling, but I must still get LED lights. That's finished. So I'm looking forward to see you in my next video. So until next time, bye.